I was a bit trashy in my early 20s, but when I started meeting persons with value from different classes, I got exposed and held those values, and it has really helped me in my journey. I'm not referring to how you dress, how you walk. I'm referring to your attitude and taste. Secrets that makes your appearance unpolished and unrefined. 1. Promise. Ladies, do not take responsibility or obligation you cannot or feel comfortable fulfilling it. Do not be too quick to give your word. Always be careful, because facts don't care about feelings. The key to respect is about who you are. Don't be too quick to say yes because you are kind. To be kind is awesome, but we do not live in a perfect world. Respect yourself enough to say no to things when in reality you can't. Remember this: fake promises and disappointment attract disrespect. Next, competition. Avoid creating competition when it's unnecessary. Ladies, it is a sign of insecurity, and to be a girl with mind, class and attitude, you need to avoid overdoing things. Avoid competition. Overdoing makes you look like a girl who lacks social etiquette, lack home training and lack manners. Listen more and speak less, ladies. And when you do too much, it makes you look like an attention seeker. Drinking above your gauge, talking too much, dress too much, want to be the center of attraction, talk and raise a voice above other people in a gathering to seek attention. Ladies, no successful person is a drama seeker, because it's useless and time-taking. And also, when you do too much, you show that you are classless and desperate. And that cheapens your appearance. When you walk into, people just point out like the drama queen because you do too much. Next, gossip. Number one killer of respect or what makes you look unpolished is gossip. There could be good gossip and bad gossip. Good gossip is speaking fairly, like saying what you feel, or someone brought an issue like a friend, because whether we like it or not, gossip is part of us ladies. But gossip depends on what you are talking about the other lady. Bad gossip attracts drama, attracts fight, and it can make you, if not careful, able to control yourself. Do things you end up regretting. There are some certain kind of friends that we have had in our life, or we still have in our lives, and I've had my fair share about gossips. You know, as ladies, there is a time in your life you want to make your life drama free. Then you meet some kind of friend that says no and wants to drag you back to where you're coming from. If a friend brings a discussion to you, you would want to say a thing or two in the conversation. Otherwise, why are you friends? Conversation is both ways. Some friends that bring gist to you, and when you contribute, she takes it to the person she brought the gist from and exposing your part of contribution. And in that way, it makes you look like a gossip. Most of us want to spend time with friends, but we have to be careful for the kind of friends we have in our life. Ladies, be aware of those kinds of friends and do the needful. I understand we cannot stay alone without making friends, but if you find out some friends that act this way, it's time to do the needful, because gossip can destroy your brand. When people label you as a gossip, wherever you walk in, they keep their mouth shut. They don't even want to speak to you because they feel you are a gossiper. It's taste. Taste can be good or bad taste. It depends. Most of us are from the low-end environment, and our taste, of course, can be influenced by the environment which we grew up from. For example, lack of table etiquette, how we talk, how to look feminine, classy, elegant, and many of us are not lucky to be taught by our parents about elegance and class. And this can be unlearned through self-awareness. Elegance, I mean, teach you how to be soft-spoken, how to let people do things for you. I'm from Africa. We don't have much role model to tell you it's feminine for you to let a man do things for you. They just go straight to do this yourself, because no man will do it for you if you don't do it yourself. Don't have all those figures to teach us how to be graceful, hospitable, how to be soft-spoken, be respectful, but when disrespected, to always speak up. How we dress, as some of us do not have an elegant figure to look at to influence our thinking.
Daddy, sometimes I think there's only one of you in the whole wide world.
Like for example, maybe how you dress. Nobody show you how to look sophisticated, not to show more than one body part at a time, or never to speak when you have food in your mouth, or never to catfight or pull a fellow girl's hair, wearing inappropriate, provocative, tight clothes, and kind to anyone. It's not your fault, ladies. All this, many of us were not taught, but the good thing is you can learn new things to improve in yourself. Next, never arrive late. Always arrive on time. I'm a bit guilty here, but thankfully my partner is able to help me in this department. If, for example, we have a meetup by 10, he will tell me the time is 8 p.m. Just in case I don't get ready before the time we are supposed to leave the house, we will still arrive early enough, because honestly it's not easy to keep to time when you have toddlers. Just for example, sometimes you would want to go out. Moms out there, you will understand this. Most cases you want to go out, you've already dressed your toddler. That is when the toddler will mess himself up. You need to change diaper, you need to change the clothes again. It isn't easy at all. Never go out empty-handed. Empty-handed, what do I mean? If someone invites you for a dinner or lunch at their home, do not go empty-handed, ladies. It makes you look untrained. Either go with a bouquet flower or bottle of wine or a box of chocolate. That will make you look graceful. Do not go to people's home and just eat their food and leave. I know in Africa we'll say, but the person invited me, you do not expect me to go with food or pay for the food. That is how we are trained back then, but to be honest, it is proper for you to go to people's home when they invite you with just a little token. I didn't know all this. I used to have a friend then. His friends invited us for dinner on one weekend, and he was asking me, what do we take to them? I was wondering, what do you mean, what do we take to them? So I'm like, we don't have to take anything to them. It's not birthday party you want to buy a gift for the person. They are not celebrating anything. They just invite us for a get together. So he told me, no, you don't do that. It makes you look trashy. When you go to somebody's home, they invite you, you just go there, eat their food, and you say, okay, bye. That if you don't have anything to give them, it's not going to go. It will just cancel the meetup. That was how I learned. And in other cases, when we are invited, like friends meet up, some people bring sweets, like dates. Some bring wine, some of them bring flour, and you see the atmosphere, everyone is excited. We share everything that we bring to the host table, and that changed my mentality, and that is one value I learned, and I take it with me until today. And I will encourage you, ladies, it's never too late to learn things and put it to practice. Ladies, do let me know if I've missed some points you would like to add to this video, and see you on my next one.